Want to do a quick review of one of my favorite Ultra Mini tripods. This one is by Manfrotto. I absolutely love the design. For one, the quality of the build is just really cool. In my experience, when you go with mini tripods, most of them tend to be really cheap, really flimsy. This is not the case whatsoever. These legs are very robust, very heavy duty. I'm really pushing it. It doesn't move. In fact, my monitor is moving more than this. This does come with an optional phone mount, which you can get as well. Without that, it's going to be your traditional 1/4 inch tripod mount. So this will mount to DSLRs. I use it for my phone, obviously. I use it for a small mirrorless camera. I also use it for GoPro equipment. I'll show you the front. It is on a ball mount, which is great, so you can customize it. Locked into place, very sturdy. To move it, you simply push this red button in, and now you can control it. You can go like that, backwards more, which is what I use a lot when I'm sitting at my desk, but really neat. I love the button feature on this versus a thumb screw. I can use it on the fly while recording. I'll put my phone in real quick just to show you what that looks like. Once again, this mount will fit an iPhone 15, and I can push the button and I can move it all over to record. Really cool. Absolutely love it. This mount too also comes with a hot shoe mount, which is great when I'm adding audio, even for a cell phone or a GoPro or a DSLR. Overall, highly recommend. It will support cameras up to 2 pounds. I've had it now for several years. I use it all the time.